there, everyone out there in internet land. David is hungry, so David makes food. David shares cooking with all of his friends. Yay! On another episode of Dinner with David, we have a sweet chili pork and snow pea stir fry with garlic rice. I also definitely had a ground pork already go bad because I'm an idiot and left it in the fridge for too long. Whoops. And we're off to a great start, letting the rice go everywhere. What's left of it anyway, because I'm already messing things up. Yay! Let me clean up all this crap before it starts making awful noises and sounds. The pan, it moves on its own. What does it mean? It just means that it's unlevel, and the water and the heat makes it go back and forth. This is my teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my... It doesn't have a spout. We add the pork, but I didn't open the bag very well. This is fun. Yay, more pork. Now we just added salt and pepper, but not Peppa Pig. Why is it not working again? Go. Fine then. Just put together all the ponzu sauce and the sweet chili Thai chili sauce. We're going to add in a little bit of cornstarch and some water and whisk it up together and have a big old time. It's grounded still. It is not flying. So pigs cannot fly yet anyway. Also, I'm mostly just pissed about their actual buying a specific seat and not open seating. Thanks a lot, Southwest. Now that the pork is done, we're throwing the snow peas in. And then we're going to add in the rest of the garlic. Whoopsie. Starch and water put in. I'm pretty sure I still put too much of the water in, so I try to put more cornstarch and to make it thicker, and it's not enough C's thick, that's all I'm saying. And these are looking pretty tasty. I think they're almost done. More time, but everything else is done except for the rice. I think I'm putting all the stuff back in here with the sauce and joining everything minus the rice. So hopefully I don't mess that up. Together right now over me, and the crowd goes wild, or just the stuff that's hot is getting loud. I was supposed to add butter. Karate chop, butter. Delivered. Now melt in there. Go, do it, because it's pretty much done. It's pretty much all weighed. Have I mentioned that I'm hungry lately? I mean, you might have guessed that from the fact that we're making food. Meow. Rice is finally done. Yay. Not even my own kitchen. Ridiculous. Yummy. Why? I don't see any snow on them. They're not like white. They're just, I mean, they look more like green beans than peas, to be honest. There, yeah. My cooking comes with a built-in haze machine. Now it's time to dig in. When I say that this is thebomb.com, I freaking mean it. Holy crap. I don't think I messed it up at all. Now, in hindsight, big fan.